So we've shown you the old quarter of Hanoi, which is very touristy, but today we want to show you the real Hanoi, the way the local Hanoi Vietnamese people live. And this is our tour guide, Hoa.
Hoa, yes, right.
So what are we going to see today, Hoa?
Oh yes, so here we are at Cầu Giấy district in Hanoi, and this is not a touristic area at all. This is the place that you can see and know, explore how the real local life. So let's go and see.
Okay. Here I have a freshwater sturgeon.
People here get the frog from their field.
People just ride their motorbikes up to the stalls here, which is great. It's like a drive-through market. They can drive through, pick up their supplies for the day and keep on driving.
Banana flour.
Right, banana flour. We like the most is the salad. That's really cool. You should try it sometime, or you can make it at home. Lovely Vietnamese people over here. So we really love to talk with people when we go to the market. You know, I love this female a lot. But so you see here, we have the green banana, right? Do you eat green banana? We Vietnamese, we do. So we have some kind of soups for when we have the green banana. And here in Vietnam, we use the banana leaves. We wrap them with we wrap for the food. We use banana flowers. We use banana fruit, green and ripe. We use the most. We use the banana trunk for soup too. And also, we cook the banana roots. We use the whole of the banana. Welcome to Vietnam and have all the food from the banana we have.
The local Vietnamese markets, they have such a huge variety of seafood and a lot are kept alive, so you know it's going to be fresh. You can see the variety that's available. Here we have a whole heap of little crabs, and these crabs are used for crab paste. And they'll weigh them and then they'll put them through a machine where they crush them all and make them into a crab paste. Some European carp. There. It's an unusual fish, and I believe that is a sturgeon. So here I have a freshwater sturgeon. It's the first one I've ever seen in life. This is a smaller one, but these grow huge, massive, up to 2.5, 3 meters long. That's how big these sturgeons can grow. So this is a Vietnamese freshwater sturgeon.
Here we are now at the wet area, and this is the fish market. Here we have all types of the things. Most of the fish here are from the rivers. And here, the frogs, people here get the frog from their field. And we also have eel.
And you know it's fresh when you can see them still moving, jumping, swimming.
All of them are alive.
You gonna pick up?
Some, so he said that some dead, but all of them are alive.
Wow, Kmach was just telling us, if you look in some of these shops, where's the owner? Where's the person selling the goods? Aren't they afraid that someone will steal something and take off? But here in the local market, where it's just the local people, they're not worried about that. The people are honest, and they know that if someone wants to buy something, they will come and they will patiently wait for the owner to come so that they can pay for their goods before they go. Okay, so now we're going to go to the cooked food market, the area where they sell cooked prepared food.
Yes. So this is the food area where it's usually really busy in the early morning, lunchtime.
It's not usually dinner time, people are out so much for meals, they like to eat at home at night. But during the day you can find everyone that comes down here and they have some very interesting food to eat. Pots that they prepare all the food in. They're frying things freshly in the back there, and then over here they'll put it all together in a bowl for the customer to eat. So we might have McDonald's, we might have Hungry Jack's, and they have drive-thrus. Well, this is the Vietnamese village style drive-thru. You can see people drive through on their motorbikes. They pull up and it's a buffet style. They pick what it is they want to eat that's freshly cooked and prepared, and they'll enjoy it for lunch. Now we're going to go and have a walk through, and we're going to see some of the houses and the way the local people live.
A lot of it reminds us a lot of India in a lot of ways, how people live.
It's really different as well.
Yeah.
It's the same but different, yeah.
But the power lines, it looks like a spider web, just everywhere. Check it out. Check this out. We're seeing a lot of the old buildings and how the local people live. It's really interesting. They have these extensions that come off to the end of the house, and they're all illegal apparently, but the government allows it because they realise people need a bit more room to live in, because things are so tight and small in their own little apartments there. So, you know, these are called tiger cages that have been extended everywhere at the end of people's houses.
So the government here is really concerned about people's health, and because they have real communal style living, you know, they all live together in a small room. It's just the way they live. They also have these communal areas set up, like this ground you can see. And in the mornings, the oldies come here and they do their Tai Chi. And in the evenings, the young ones come here and play after school. So it's designed to give people areas that they can come and they can exercise.
Then in the evening, a lot of the old ones will come back down after the kids are all gone to bed and sleep, and talk about their day and what they've done. So it's a real community area, these little areas here.
So let me share with you some of the meanings of Hanoi. Ha, in English, it is rivers, and Noi is inside. So rivers inside or inside rivers. We have so many rivers, lakes, ponds in Hanoi. That even surprised Vietnamese people from the south or any other areas of Vietnam. When they go to Hanoi, they see so many lakes, rivers and ponds.
Walking some of the back streets here, and we're now heading to where?
Now we're going to the coffee shop, the local coffee shop, and it's really hidden too. We are so excited.
I need a coffee after a late night and not much sleep. Coffee's good for us.
Yay!
Wow.
Since 1930s.
1930s. Very old. Little hidden away place in the back streets of Hanoi. A little coffee shop. It's pretty old. Here we have a local little restaurant where all the locals will come and eat. It's pretty popular. There's no seats available. Good. These little side streets are some of the best food here in Hanoi. Discovered a few little awesome little places. You normally wouldn't even go in. You'd think, nah, this ain't safe to eat, but man, the food is amazing, safe as.
So here at one of the street stalls, we've got sea crab spring roll and a prawn fritter. So let's have a taste and see what they're like, eh? The prawn is so sweet. That's really good. Sea crab spring roll.
And I've met some Punjabi friends who've got their own business here. They've been living here for 4 months. He's now going to cook me a chicken cheese wrap, his special recipe. I'm looking forward to tasting that. Apparently it's really nice. It's got a really good review. When you're in Vietnam, what do you eat? Well, you find the nearest North Indian food and get yourself a nice spicy masala chicken wrap. That looks absolutely amazing. The taste of India in Vietnam. That is great.
You can take the boy out of India, but you can't take the India out of the boy.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed seeing the real Hanoi. Even the old quarters is beautiful, but here is where all the locals, how they live.
So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can keep updated with all the next places that we travel to. Hit the bell so that you'll get reminders.
And all the tours that we've done, we'll put down below all the details.
And we hope that we've inspired you to get out and about and have your own adventure.
And we'll see you on the next Fairdinkum adventure.